What's going on, guys? Fountain on this side, fountain on this side, and Emily is meeting up with me. Today is a really special day. Today actually marks the 50th vlog, which is absolutely insane. I had no idea that I'd keep it going this long. We're doing something very special today, and Emily's really excited. Hey,
What's going on?
this is vlog 50.
Vlog 50?
Yeah.
Awesome!
So we're gonna do something special today, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go do our special thing.
Okay.
This is the special thing that's happening today, and it's very, very bittersweet. I'm very happy, but at the same time I'm very sad about it, but it's for the best. This is Serenity. Bought her with Emily when we were living in West Virginia. One of my most favorite cars that I've ever owned, if not the most favorite car that I've ever owned. Say hello to our new Honda Civic Hybrid. And it is beautiful. Beautiful. Custom tail lights. 45 miles per gallon. Emily and
Super futuristic.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome, buddy.
Thank you so
this
much.
Is mine.
There's two sets.
Bye, Serenity. Hello, Emily's new gorgeous Honda
Call it hybrid for now.
Hybrid.
What?
Yeah, you look good beside it.
Of course I do.
So, if you're ever in Marion, Ohio, and you need to buy a new car, this guy's the one to go to.
Chris Nice.
That's
Matthews
right.
Honda.
Get it. All right, man.
See you, buddy.
Catch you
Drive
later.
safe.
Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome. Bye, guys.
See you later.
Okay, you ready for this? The first start of your new car.
Okay.
All right, let's go get food.
Yeah, let's go get food and
Drive your new car.
drive my new car.
You have a backup camera.
I know. Oh my gosh, it's so helpful too.
Bye, Serenity. Now we,
car.
it is your car. Now we are headed to El Campesinos for some Mexican food and to eat with Jake and Dinah. How was your first drive from down the road?
My heart is racing. I don't have to lock it. I just can use my key fob.
Yeah, you don't have to press any buttons anymore. Remember, Em,
What?
you also don't have to hit the button. Once you start walking away and it gets so far out of range, it locks automatically.
Does it?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
No.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Food. Dinah hasn't got hers yet, but Jake does. I got part of mine. I'm ordering 3 tacos. Alright. Bye guys. See you later. I guess just let me know.
Stop it.
We're home and Poodle got a haircut. You can't see him. Come here. There you go. Oh, what's up, buddy? Oh, yeah. Did you get a new haircut? Oh, yeah, you got a new haircut. You look like such a cute poodle. Yeah. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, yeah, you're a good boy. So, I have another class. I've never been in this building before, so I'm completely lost. I'm supposed to be there in like 2 minutes. Let's try try this way.